Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add applications to the cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So let's start with the apps that we have on our main screen. So until we even go to the other apps. Now, if you want to edit your applications list here, you have to hold your finger down on an empty space and tap Edit. And now here you can remove the applications from the list, and you can also add different ones by selecting them from the list below. Here you can find basically all the applications that are installed on your smartphone. And this way you'll create a quick access to them once you tap Done, and the applications will appear here. Now, if you want to add the applications to your home menu, you're going to have to tap Add Apps at the bottom and then select applications that you want to add here by tapping on them. And if you want to remove some applications from here, you just have to tap on the applications that are already added and then tap Done. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.